This is our review of Yellowstone West Gate KOA in Montana. We spent 5 nights at the park. Overall, the park was amazing, well kept, well maintained. They had a very big general store. The site that we had was a pull through with a patio, and it was amazing. We definitely recommend this for anybody, and it set our expectations very high for KOAs.
This is a great KOA. Everybody that works here is very friendly and nice. I would highly suggest you come here and check it out for yourself.
What was your favorite part?
Mountains and the indoor pool.
We're just here at the KOA, cruising around. Which way you guys want to go?
I can do it anywhere.
Which way you want to go?
Yeah. Thank you.
Makes me miss mine at home.
Aw, say bye.
Bye.
See ya.